Hello everyone and welcome. Now it's time to build the chart. I've prepared the space right here, added the months, just copied them from here. For the chart, added some information that is taken right from this little table that will also serve us for building the chart. And before we do that, before we include the chart, I just want to show you how to include the developer ribbon. Maybe you have noticed during this course that I had it included, and maybe you don't have it, and that is because this is included as an option, and we have to use one function from this ribbon, and that's why you will need to include it now, and I'll show you how. I don't know if this is available in 2007. I use 2010, Excel 2010. You have to check it, and in here you go to add it, you go in File, in Options, and in Customize ribbon you go in Main tabs, and you can see it right here, Developer, and you just add it. I won't add it because I already have it, and press OK. And after that, if you have this version of Excel, you can use it. Okay, and from the developer ribbon I would add a form control, that is the scroll bar, and the scroll bar is just a normal scroll bar that will help us navigate through the chart that we're going to use. And I just added it. It doesn't serve too much use right now. We have to format it, and you go right click on it and go format control, and we'll link this with this cell. So that's why I added that one over there, because that one will help us navigate through the information in the chart. So the minimum value should be 1, the maximum value should be 13, because we have 12 months and the year, that is 13 options. Incremental change should be 1, and that's all. Okay, and now I hope this works. While I record, I notice that this doesn't work as well. So if you see here, I press on the right arrow, and the number here changes, but also everything that is linked to that number, and those figures in here are linked because this table is linked with this one. So everything is now linked, and I can change and see different months just at a click of a button. And now, guess what we are going to do? Exactly, we're going to link the chart with this scroll bar as well. Or in fact, we'll link the chart to this table, and everything will be linked. So to insert the chart, you go first, we have to select the database that the chart will use, and I'll choose only from home to obligations, so just cost categories, and go and insert, add column chart 2D. Okay, and there you have it, the chart. This is the chart from January. Now I don't want to see the month because I already have it here and here, and I'll just right click here and go in select data, and as you can see, the legend has the cost categories, and horizontal axis has the month, but I want to switch them, so just click on this one and you can switch the axis with the legend, and now you have the expense categories in here. So I'll delete this one. I can change this, and Control Z to undo. Okay, and write right in here costs or expense overview. Expenses overview. Now we need to format this chart to look better. Okay, and as you know, we have to play right here and, for example, remove the grid lines. Okay, for the color format chart area, and go no fill. Okay, these and this, no, this and this. No, I cannot choose both, so format axis, we'll go with number, month. I think we have can change it from here, so change this. Okay, and the same in here, and the same with cost. And we'll have to select this and add no fill, and already looks much better. But I'll want to do something more to this. I'll have expenses that will reach probably, let's add, for example, in January, let's add some more expenses. So here we can add 500, for example. In March, let's add somewhere another 500, and let's go back in the overview. And now look at this. If I change, just let me the recording keeps this from working good. Okay, so now it changes. Come on, February, come on, just a minute now. Okay, now change to March, and okay, it changes, and you can see that it changes to these amount change from month to month, but I want them fixed, because when I scroll this with the scroll bar, I just to have the same references. So to do that, I'll just have to lock this and go in format, and I'll choose a minimum. I mean, the minimum should be 0, and the maximum should be, in this case, should be, so for costs, I don't think I will have costs more than the income, or just, we can just leave it for 3,500. So that would be the maximum, and this is fixed. Okay, and that's all. And now if something changes, let me just change it from here. Everything, it's too small because I have small expenses. The bars will look too small, but you can change this afterwards, so I'll just leave it to 1000. Okay, and now the chart is linked as well. And let me just get rid of the border as well, no line. Okay, and I want to do one more thing here. I'll use the fill, just pattern fill, and I'll use this example here, and just as we did with the charts from each month, this will look much more better in my view with this format. And I'll choose different colors, but I'll do that offline. Okay, And I just want to add one more chart, and this would include the information regarding this, the totals per month. So this will be another column chart. Okay, and now I have the total expenses. Again, I'll go play with this format axis. No, sorry, I'll have to right click and select data and switch. Okay, and don't need this nor this, and I'll make it smaller and have it included right here. So this is it. I'll just format the charts offline, and in the next video you will see how everything looks, and you will have the nice little view of all our expenses for each month. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Thanks.